Hi, I'm Dr. Marco Cueva, and if you have been thinking about dental implants and still have questions, you're not alone. Today, I'm answering the most common questions we hear from patients every day right here in our practice. What exactly is a dental implant? A dental implant is a small titanium post that acts like the root of your tooth. It's placed in your jawbone and supports a crown, a bridge, or a full arch of teeth. It looks, feels, and functions just like your real tooth. Most patients are surprised how comfortable the procedure actually is. We use local anesthetic or sedation if you need it. Afterward, most people will say that's easier than getting a tooth pulled. With proper care, dental implants can last many years, 20 years or more. Many last a lifetime. They are a long-term investment in your health, confidence, and quality of life. We do a 3D scan and a full evaluation during our consultation to see if you're a good candidate. Even if you have been told you don't have enough bone, we have options for you. Most of the time, we can place implants after a bone grafting. Cost varies depending how many teeth we need to replace. We made easy with payment plans, financing, and customized treatment plannings for you. We'll walk you through every step. If you still have questions, come in and talk to us. We offer free implant consultations, and we'll help you to find out if dental implants are right or not for you. Call us today, and new smile can be closer than you think.